Veteran attorney Valerie Neita Robertson has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran attorney at law King's Counsel Valerie Neita Robertson, who represented Vybz Kartel during his murder trial, has died after battling cancer. She was 71 years old at the time of her passing. Neita Robertson was a towering figure in Jamaica's legal fraternity and dedicated nearly 50 years to the profession. A highly respected defense attorney, she played a pivotal role in several high-profile cases and was widely regarded for her sharp legal acumen and unwavering commitment to the profession. In 2020, she ventured into politics and successfully contested a seat in Jamaica's parliament. She is survived by her 4 sons, daughters-in-law, grandchildren, siblings, nieces and nephews, and other relatives and family members. This has been Links 007 TV, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.